how to fix a yellow, red or blue color tint on the screen on your iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. In here, go down and tap on Displayed and Text Size. Then swipe up to tap on Color Filters. Now in Color Filters, what you can do is if the color on the screen is not showing what it's supposed to be, try to turn off Color Filters and see how you go. If Color Filter is already off and you do not like the color of the screen, you can turn it on. And in here you can choose red, green filter and see if you like that. Or you can select green or red filter. Or you can select blue or yellow filter. Now you can also change the intensity at the bottom here to readjust the color of the screen and see how you like it. If that does not work well, you can also go up to another color type such as red or green and you can change the intensity as well. Otherwise, you can tap on Color Tint. In Color Tint, you can change the hue and you can also change the intensity. So changing the hue will add some additional colors tint over the top, and from there you can also increase the intensity to make it stronger or lighter. So give that a try and see if that can fix a color issue on your screen. Now if it happens that your screen is too yellow and you want to fix the problem, first turn off color filters, then we go back to Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Displayed and Brightness. Then you go down and turn off True Tone. If you turn on True Tone, the screen will become a bit yellow, so you can turn off True Tone to make the screen more whiter or cooler. Now another thing that can cause your display to be very yellow is the night shift option. If it is turned on, it can cause the screen to be very yellow. So if you try to fix an issue with a yellow screen, maybe try to turn off night shift. And that's it. And those are the options that you can try to fix issues with a yellow, red or blue color tint on your iPhone 14 screens. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.